The rainy season is here in Japan. The air is heavy and humid, so today I'm gonna be making refreshing homemade ginger ale. I'm using mirin for the gentle sweetness and it's good for your health. If you don't have a mirin, no worries, I'm gonna show you the brown sugar and honey version. Let's get started. Today I'm using young fresh ginger. It's in season right now, tender, juicy, and not too spicy. It has a refreshing aroma, and even though it's mild, it still has enough ginger flavor for this drink. We also make garlic from this. If you cannot access to the young fresh ginger, no worries, you can still use the regular ginger too. As you can see, the skin is still soft and not fully formed. Just scrape off any dirty spot and leave the skin on. Slice it thinly across the grain. Place the ginger into a pot with your favorite spices. I'm using cinnamon sticks, cloves, black peppercorns, and cardamom. That's my favorite. Feel free to adjust to your taste. Add mirin and cook over medium heat for about 10 minutes until it reduces to about 2/3. And this is important. Mirin contains alcohol, so don't cook it on high heat. It might catch the fire. Strain the syrup into a jar. And don't throw away the ginger because it's mottainai. We can use it for another dishes. Transfer to a bottle and let it go to room temperature and then store it in the fridge. It will keep for 1 to 2 months. To enjoy it, mix 1 part of the syrup with 3 parts fizzy water. It has a round, mild, and gentle sweetness and perfect for hot, humid days. And it has a refreshing aroma from the ginger and the spicy kick from the spices. Mirin is made from fermented rice. It adds natural sweetness and has a milder effect on the blood sugar compared to white sugar, so it's better choice for your health. Now here's the sugar version. I'm using light brown sugar from my father's hometown on Amami Island. This type of sugar is natural and rich in flavor, but you can use any kind of brown sugar in your kitchen. Bring to a boil and stir until the sugar dissolves. Then add sliced ginger and simmer for about 10 minutes until it reduces by half. Skim off the scum if you have any for the translucent finish. Strain and bottle just like before. This version is a bit spicier and more robust than the mirin one, and it's perfect if you like a stronger ginger kick. Has a bold, spicy kick that helps refresh your body and cools you down on a humid, rainy season and summer days. You can even mix with hot water for the cozy drink, or add to your beer if you enjoy the alcoholic drinks. You can make a double or triple batch if you want to enjoy it all summer long. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website, princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!